जहाँ तक मेरे बचपन से मुझे, क्योंकि मेरे माताजी बहुत पढ़ती थी और महाराष्ट्र के साहित्य और महाराष्ट्र के सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स के ऊपर उनके द्वारा मुझे बचपन से, शी यूज्ड टू रीड ट्रांसलेशंस, मराठी से तमिल translation, whether it is about the life of Savitri Bai Phule, whether it is Pandita Ramabai. I have read it through all the Tamil translations my mother reads, and she would pass it on to me saying, you should read this. Or, of course, I don't need to mention, both in my family and also otherwise, there has been an immense admiration for the way in which Maharaj Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was brought up by his royal mother, and that kind of an inspirational upbringing is something which was part of my family. Other than that, of course, Sant Gyaneshwar's verses were all in Tamil in our library at home. We've read about Sant Tukaram, Sant Eknath, like that. A lot of exposure to Maharashtra writings and Maharashtra's culture. Obviously, all of you all will know in Tamil Nadu there has been a lot of influence of Marathi rulers. In Tanjavur, we have a Saraswati Mahal library which has wonderful collection of books which were all derived because of that kind of an influence from Maharashtra. And personally, Pandharipur is very close to my heart. I can obviously look forward to any visit to Chandrabhaga, the banks of Chandrabhaga, and go to Pandharipur. I would, even now, I feel very moved when I think of Pandharipur. It's such an ancient, hoary city. There's so much that it has contributed to our literature, to the thinking, to the building of Indian, good, virtuous human being. And of course, Satara is a place in which one of the very famous and very elderly saint, who we refer by the name of Paramacharya, had camps in Satara, and all of us from Tamil Nadu used to come to listen to his lecture in Satara, because he felt Satara and the places around Pandharipur were so special for spiritual, opening up. So, for me, Maharashtra has so much to offer, so much culture, so rich. If on the one hand you talk of Bengal, for us Maharashtra was closer and there was some strong influence. So obviously to look up to Maharashtra, to see eminent people of Maharashtra making contribution to India is something which is natural to me, but therefore I feel very honored to be here today to participate in this.